The time is exactly 3:30 and ngiyongena night shift futhi. But at least yanamhlanje eyokugcina. Uma sanibona umakoti wasevulile lona, and let's prepare my lunch for work. So on the menu is wings, cabbage with spinach, batata kanye nombila. Indlela nje ngikhathele ngayo. Kanti ngempela umsebenzi wawutheni lo? So I'm just gonna pop the chicken in the air fryer. Bese ngivele ngiyindlalele ngephepha. So lana ngizobe ngenza icabbage. Mina nebutter. Ufuna u-green pepper nje kwelakho ibhodo. Supreme curry powder kancane. Oh, cabbage. Salt and pepper to taste. Zovala for a few minutes. This is after like 10 minutes, just 5 minutes more. 15 minutes down, let's turn over. Looks really nice and juicy. Ouch! I'm just gonna keep it aside for now. If you look flavor. So the reason why I'm going to panini is because we want to that rice and effect. And it's all sealed. And it tastes really good. So I'm just waiting for the air fryer and then the pack. Emnandi air fryer ngokuthi phela inewindi leglasi so nginakubuza check ukuthi kusahamba kahle. It's done and ready. So pack. The low I think went there earlier on. Time is 4:10. This will be my snack for the night. And then as a reward, I'm rewarding myself for preparing my lunch meal for work. Such a good girl, very disciplined. Otherwise, if you enjoyed watching this video, please like. And if you still want to see more lunch preps, follow.